Boys, where we going? Food, then Buddha.
Buddha. We go to the Buddha.
Okay.
The guy was driving it and the guy in front braked and he just went boom straight in the back.
Checking out this big Buddha with the big boys. That's the view. It takes photos on holidays. Got my doctor. I think I've got a chest infection. It's been a week, still sick. I'm Batman. I got bronchitis.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Alright, I'll try to get a needle in my ass. It's time for a swim. Katanoi Beach? Is that where we are?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, Doily.
Beach.
It's cool. So after the, oh fucking, how's the red line from the hat? Went to the doctors, got bronchitis, but they gave me the mask thing, so we are trying to make it an attachment for the Yoda bong.
No. Luke, smash burgers. One bite. You know the rules. Straight off the mark. Great texture. 8.3. Look at that.
Falafel. The hummus. Bit dry. 6.7. Oh, a chicken burger. Oh, chicken burger. That one, Bella. 7.1.
6.4.
6.4.
Cheeseburger. 6.5.
Oh, chicken. So coming out. We've been watching a little bit of Spanion. We're about to go try whatever we can find that looks dodgy.
Alright, sounds
Everyone
good.
takes one bite.
Here's, do you get something absolutely terrible and hope the boys look after us, or are we just going hard and just ruin it? Oh my god, here we go. So what are you thinking of getting?
I have to eat it?
Yeah, everyone's got to eat it.
Oh, I might just go something nice for myself.
Yeah, see, and just hope the boys do the same thing back.
We can.
Something like that.
What's that?
I don't know what I'm going to do. What do you think of? I don't know. We'll see. Here's Robert again. He's still got his suit. Oh my god, what is that?
Prepared squid. Oh, I'm gonna have to get that.
That's squid. That's Rob's choice. Thinking something in the can. That can't be good, hey? Can you show me?
Pepper meatloaf.
Looks like it's got mould on it.
Yeah.
It's a pepper in it. I reckon it's going to be good.
Pigeon. Now this could be the brand or it could be what's in it. It's pickled something.
Pickled salmon.
I ate mine. It's
It's not the worst.
not great, though.
It's got a bit of spice.
Yeah, it's not great.
Another bit, mate.
Not great.
Cabbage, actually. Out of the way.
All right, what do we got, Robert?
Some fucking dried squid.
Oh,
God, it smells like bait.
Fuck's sake.
Oh,
oh no.
Doesn't taste as bad as it smells, but
Oh, boo.
I can't swallow it.
Oh, I smelt that. No good. No.
Swallow it out.
Oh.
It tastes like it's like sweet. I'm gonna try it. I got the bait taste.
Do you like?
Sweet. It's like your turn, Ben.
Oh, it does smell like babe. Oh, it's crispy.
That's the one. Idiot. It just tastes.
Oh. What the fuck is that? What did Spaniard say? That's for the rats.
Nicky's.
I'll swallow it, man. Oh, Nicky's is the worst.
Any more before I it?
Nah, throw it out, Rob. So, pepper meatloaf. This looks filth.
Actually tastes nice.
Does it? I don't believe you.
You want some of that? Right, that's actually good. That's slap. That does slap. That's fucking good.
Oh, at least it finished on something good, eh? Oh, Lockie's getting
Just
straight.
got a drink.
It's actually good. Slap that in a bit of bread with a bit of cheese.
Bit of cheese, tomato sauce, I'll eat that.
Melva nut.
What? Malva nut?
Melva.
Smells like a nut.
Malva nut?
It's like nut.
Smells like nut.
Who's nut? Who's nut even?
It's jelly.
Oh, it's jelly.
What is that?
It's drinkable. Not great.
What is that texture?
I don't know. The texture's not really good yet.
Texture, bro.
It doesn't
I hate the
taste
texture more than the taste, eh?
Yeah,
And it's just like
it's like
fucking sand on here.
Oh, why is it lumpy?
Yeah. The texture's the worst.
That's just not nice. Oh,
What's that like?
this was a dumb idea. Why have we done this? Who did this? Who watched Spaniard before we come out?